character, especially yung mga police na alam natin controversial yung involvement. And noticeably may accent yata. So,
Sige, ako na muna kasi parang preparation, syempre, it's really discussing with the whole team. Ano yung vision, it's discussing the script, and syempre yung character ko mismo. Ano yung ipo-portray ko, or ano rin yung pinaglalaban mismo ng character ko. Kasi yun yung importante na magampanan ko mabuti. Ayun. Back to you guys.
In terms of preparation, same with Jane. Siyempre, you have to sit down with Direk Shugo, tapos mahilig kasi ako magtanong, so kailangan tanongin ko para sa being ko. Kailangan ko malaman kung ano ba si Feli, anong pinanggagalingan ni Feli, anong problema ni Feli sa family, like yung kanina sa mag-ama niya. So, yun talaga yung preparation. Mental, yung physical, madali na yun eh. Pero, yun lang, that's one thing I like about working with Direk Shugo kasi it's my second time. Iba kasi si Direk Shugo, siya yung tipo ng director na pababayaan ka niya kasi may tiwala siya sa bawat actor niya. Hindi siya yung nagde-demand, hindi siya nagko-command. Kasi it's one thing also that I like about working with the people in entertainment, especially si Direk Shugo, kasi yung tiwala nila, binibigay nila sa actor nila. So, ikaw ang bahala kung paano mo siya gagawin, paano ang treatment mo. So, yun pa lang, diba nakaka-inspire as an actor na alam mo may tiwala sa'yo yung director mo. So, ikaw, nalalaro mo yung character mo. So, tapos, syempre, he's very appreciative of what you do. So, that's super malaking bagay para sa amin. Thank you, Derek.
Okay, so just picking up on what Yayo said also about the flexibility of Direk and working with everyone, that accent, di ba? Nung nabasa naman ni John yung character description, parang Bisaya accent. Hindi naman, obviously, di ba, we're not Bisaya. Pero when we got to the set, when we were gonna shoot the first scene, he could see the awkwardness sa amin ni Joem na parang, oh guys, kung awkward kayo mag-Bisaya, let's scrap it na, di ba? Just do it normally. I mean, hindi pa naman tayo nakaka-shoot ng marami. Okay lang, hindi pa na-establish. Pero the fact that he trusted us with his vision of the character na ito yung, di ba, vision niya, we have to do our part naman as actors and deliver on his vision. So, yeah, it was a big concern. It was fun though. It was new for me kasi I never did anything like that. So, yeah, to the Bisayas out there, if I messed up, sensya na po. Sorry, pero we did our best.
Yun, yung parang sinabi din ni Ryan sa kanina. Honestly, sa set, may coach kami.
Yeah.
May coach kami na nagtuturo sa amin. So every time na, ngayon, nung first, kung hindi namin kakayanin sa scrap, at least may tutuloy namin ng Tagalog. Pero as nasabi nga ni Ryan, it's a challenge. Siyempre, pinagkakatiwalaan kami dun sa craft namin ni Direk Shugo, ng buong team. So kailangan namin mag-deliver. Parang yun yung challenge for us, sa amin dalawa. Siyempre, aside doon sa intention, objective ng characters, yung nga, yung sa dialect, yung sa intonations namin, may coach naman kami. Tinulungan naman kami ng Rain Entertainment with everything na kailangan namin. Lahat-lahat. So, yeah, basta kilikili namin lahat. Every time na umaarte kami. Kasi, syempre aside dun sa, yung intensity na binibigay namin ni Ryan, syempre nasa utak din namin, tama ba yung intonation? So, this is just the first episode. Sa mga susunod na episode, I guess, may maririnig na talaga sila na full dialect na Bisaya. So, I'm just happy na to be part of this project. We took on the challenge. We took on everything. And yeah, hopefully after the 6 episodes, kahit hindi lang ngayon mapag-usapan, sana sa mga susunod na henerasyon mapag-usapan at yun, nakakatuwa na, uy, andun yung mukha natin. With the next generation, sa mga anak, sa mga ano natin. So we're just happy. Yun. Yung preparation namin basically.
Salamat. drama.
Thank you.
Last question for Direk Shugo. How much research was done and how much of it is based on reality?
Sa ganitong material, we really had to dig deep and do a lot of research. Sa totoo ko, parang more than a year of basa, interviews, discussions, taking on different POVs. Pero yung parang pinaka-guide namin is really emotional truth. So parang maraming mga characters doon na pinaghalo-halo na from different perspectives, from different stories of victims. Pero yun, iisa yung pinanghahawakan namin. It has to represent the feelings of the people, the characters na nandoon. It's inspired really by this event. It's part of our history. So, ganun siya katotoo. Yun po.
Thank you and congratulations.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Kate. Next up we have Nikki Wang.
Thank you. Hi, over here. This question can be answered by either Sir Ian or Direk Shugo. Sabi mo, Sir Ian, this series raises so many questions. My question is, does the series intend to answer these questions throughout the series? Because you also mentioned that this is not a political story, but it's a strong social commentary, I must say. So, what's the intention of the series? Will it answer all the questions that it raises in the beginning?
Well, our intention is to show perspectives. For example, from the perspective of Kiko, the character, and the perspective of Father Tom, the character I'm playing, and from the perspective of Jane, iba yung pananaw about about how to fix the drug problem and how to rehabilitate or punish, or and there's a long conversation about it that we have to have as individuals. And depende yun kasi yung ibang tao hindi naman apektado, so they don't care. Yung ibang tao nandun mismo kung saan kami nag-shoot, isa sa mga lugar na totoong nangyari yun, dun sa lugar kung saan kami nag-shoot. And so yung vibe dun, yung makikita mo yung ibang tao na affected by it talaga. And we just as artists and as Direk Shugo, as a storyteller, you want to make propositions and ask questions. Pero we're not there to lecture or to give answers. We're not there to solve problems. We're there to point out different perspectives, and I think that's the intention.
Direk, would you like to add?
Yes, dagdag ko lang po. Tama. The series, was it intended to answer all these questions? But what we hope is that through the drama, people who are nakaka-relate to sa kwento can find answers within the series itself. If that makes sense. Dahil dun sa perspektibo na sinasabi ni Sir Ian, na perspektibo ng bawat characters. Minsan kasi yung nagka-cloud sa atin, hindi natin nakikita yung perspective ng kabila. So our hope is when you're on the other side and then you see a perspective from the other side, whatever side that is, you find the answer na gumugulo sa isip mo. So and may tiwala kami sa Filipino audience na mauunawaan yung mga gustong iparating na mensahe dito sa series.
Okay, and for my final question, kay Sir Ian ulit. I'm very interested in your character, si Father Tom. I just wanted to know, what does your character represent? Is he the conscience of the story? Is he the good side of the story? Is he also a victim of this, the situation he's in?
Well, from my perspective as an actor, hindi ko your questions are more directed to Direk Shugo as a writer. Pero from my perspective, the character, may sarili siyang pinagdaanan, may sarili siyang bias, may sarili siyang mga paniwala, di ba? Na meron din siyang sariling journey na mahirap na pinagdadaanan. Pero tandaan nyo, first episode pa lang to. Kaya I'm so excited to see the following episodes. So Direk, yun, in the essence of the whole story.
Yes, the good yung one way or the other, all the characters na mapalad natin dito are all searching for the truth. Whether their own truth o yung truth na pinaniniwalaan nila, sina-challenge nila. Ganun lahat ng characters. James, Arby's, even si Sir John. Marami mga katotohanan yung without either consciously or subconsciously hinahanap nila. If you noticed in the first episode, spoiler, hinahanap niya what happened to his to Kiko, yung isa sa mga alagaan. Gusto niya malaman yung katotohanan ng nangyari doon. But that's also searching for the truth about himself. Was he a good was he a good father figure, mentor? Yun din. And excited din kaming mapanood pa ninyo yung mga susunod na episode because a lot of layer will be revealed sa pagkatao ng bawat characters.
Thank you, Direk, and congratulations.
Salamat.